This is the elevator to the Lifetime Athletics parking garage in Westbury. It's a Schindler, right? Here we go. Doors does not work. Buttons, indicator will watch change. Cab view, this is pretty nice for a parking garage elevator. I'm sure that building, the actual sports complex thing, I'm sure that's also an HT. And I'm not gonna try getting in there because I'm running low and, oh, okay. I only have time for one more video and I'm saving that for a hotel I'm about to go to. Oh, Jesus Christ, it's hot in here. Alright, close, there it goes, and that's it.